Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, it looks like a beautiful summer day setting up for us today. Temperatures already rising into the upper 70s as of 10 a.m. this morning. We're going to continue to see those mild conditions with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies continuing during the morning and afternoon hours today. I'm going to take a look here at our current surface analysis. You can see high pressure along the eastern seaboard today, providing us with those beautiful conditions. We are going to see some upper level energy begin to make its way across the state of Virginia toward the east coast later on this evening, and as a result, we could see a few showers and thunderstorms developing just west of the Wallops region by the late afternoon and into the early evening hours. It does look like those showers and thunderstorms will likely begin to decay as they cross the Chesapeake Bay later this evening, but we will see a slight chance of seeing some of those showers and thunderstorms hold together as they move into the region later this evening. Taking a look at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, you can see those winds fairly light all the way up to around the 25,000 foot level. At the lower levels of the atmosphere, we see those winds out of the west southwest at around 8 knots, increasing slightly as we go up in height up to the 25,000 foot level. Those winds turn a little more northwesterly, and we see those winds increasing up to around 21 knots. Freezing level this morning was at 13,300 feet. I want to take a look at our radar this morning. You can see really nothing to be concerned with, as no reflectivity being shown on the radar this morning. All the shower activity will be holding off until later today. But as you take a look at the radar late this afternoon into the evening hours, you should see some more shower and thunderstorm development just west of the Chesapeake Bay. Looking at our infrared satellite, you can see partly cloudy to mostly clear skies out there, and really no real areas of cloudiness to be seen across the Delmarva Peninsula this morning, with the exception of a few lower level clouds that were more abundant as we were going through our early morning hours today. As the sun rose, you saw those clouds right around 500 feet along the coastal sections of the Delmarva this morning, but they have dissipated some as we've gone through the morning hours, and we'll continue to see partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies as a result today. We'll look at our short range high resolution model and what we can expect with those showers as we go into the afternoon and evening hours today. This would be at 3 o'clock this afternoon, and you can see really very little in the way of shower and thunderstorm development across the mid-Atlantic region. You do see a little bit of activity into western Pennsylvania and into northeastern West Virginia. But really, it looks like that shower activity will not really start to fire until late this afternoon, around 6 p.m. As you can see here, some showers and thunderstorms across the Tidewater region and west of the Chesapeake Bay as well. But as you can see, as we go into the evening hours, as we move the model in time, you can see by 8 o'clock, some of those showers and thunderstorms beginning to cross into the Chesapeake Bay, and then we see a pretty quick weakening of those showers and thunderstorms during evening hours. So I think this will be kind of like a typical setup where we do see those showers and thunderstorms stronger west of the bay and then dying out as they cross the bay toward the Wallops region later on this evening. So a slight chance that we will see some shower and thunderstorm activity tonight, but only about a 15% chance as we see those showers die off as they cross the Chesapeake Bay. I want to take a look at our European model and what we can expect in the long extended range for our forecast. Starting out with Tuesday morning, you can see really no real areas of activity to be seen on the model, and much like what we have today, most of that activity will be holding off until late in the afternoon into the evening hours. You can see your typical shower and thunderstorm development west of the Chesapeake Bay, and not as much across the eastern portions of the Delmarva. Some of the higher resolution models are showing a little bit more activity crossing the bay tomorrow night, so we will see a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms during the Tuesday evening and possibly Tuesday late afternoon time frame. Going into the day on Wednesday, it does look like upper level energy will be a little weaker for Wednesday than what we'll see later this evening and into Tuesday evening. So slightly lower chances for those thunderstorms to occur on Wednesday than what we see on Tuesday. And then as we go into Thursday, it looks like that cold front will finally begin to make its way across the Delmarva Peninsula, and we'll see a little bit more forcing uh, on Thursday than what we'll see earlier this week. So that'll probably be our best chance of picking up some showers and thunderstorms as that front crosses Thursday afternoon into the evening hours, looking more like a 40% chance of some shower activity then. For the end of the week into the weekend, as we look at the extended forecast, it does look like that front will clear the area, high pressure will build in, and we'll see some pretty warm conditions with temperatures potentially up to around 90 degrees by the end of this weekend coming up in the 7-day period. But again, this far out, not 100% that we'll be thunderstorm and shower free, as we often see those pop-up showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon. But right now, models are indicating that the weekend should see relatively weak forcing at the upper levels, so likely seeing some pretty low chances for showers and thunderstorms with those warm temperatures for the weekend. So as we look at the forecast for the next 24 hours, we're going to see, again, those chances of showers and thunderstorms later this evening. Most likely, your best chance will be around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock this evening as those thunderstorms cross the bay. And again, they will be weakening, so probably a better chance that we'll see lightning within 10 miles than we actually see any precipitation falling here at Wallops. But looking at about a 15% chance of some showers and thunderstorms for this evening. Mild temperatures today with a daytime high right around 85 degrees, and then overnight tonight, looking at those low temperatures right around 72 degrees. Your extended forecast looking quite nice with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for daytime highs. Overnight low temperatures, your typical muggy conditions with those lows in the low 70s. Looking at chances for thunderstorms really every day through Thursday. We're looking at slight chances today, tomorrow, and Wednesday with no more than about a 20% chance of those showers and thunderstorms, with most of that activity holding off until late in the afternoon and into the evening hours. Then on Thursday, that looks to be right now our best chance for showers and thunderstorms as that front crosses the region. About a 40% chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. That front looks to clear the area by Friday with lower chances for precipitation for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with those warm temperatures in the upper 80s to low 90s for daytime highs. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.